Well, the state climate office looks at the climate across Indiana, and as you know, we get a lot of variability, and that is going to be the essence of what we see. If you look at the last few months and weeks, we have seen relatively warm days, and then in the last couple of days, we have seen really cold spells starting to come our way. I think what we are going to expect is a more of the same repeating itself as we go into the winter. So towards the end of the winter, one might say that we are going to have a relatively warm winter, uh, variably interspiced with several cold weather outbreaks that we expect. And we expect some of those to be coming a little later into the winter. If you have seen the past patterns, our winters have been getting delayed by few weeks to a month. So most likely we expect relatively warmer conditions, but conditions which would be much more harsher, if you will, around Jan and February timeframe.
I think the major player this winter is the same as the major player last year. It's called La Nina, which is a phenomenon in which the Pacific Ocean temperature is actually a little cooler than normal, especially around the equator. That tends to influence the weather patterns over North America. We might draw a corollary to last winter when it seemed like the temperature was quite warm, but in fact, La Nina ended very early last winter, and so it really didn't have much impact on January and February. So this also is another weak La Nina, so we're going to have to watch and see how long does this La Nina have an impact on Indiana weather, and how long does that increased precipitation and flip-flop in temperature continue.